Hey, what's going on, family? Listen, this is Pastor Rod. Pray that you're having a great day, as usual. But look, I have something real interesting to share with you. Now, I have two dogs. Got one named Bryce, one named Jellybean. And Jellybean is still a baby. He's still about maybe 3 months old. And, I watched him yesterday make an attempt to get this rope that he has off of the couch. And I watched him and I just sat back and I just watched him to see what he was going to do about getting this rope off the couch. Now, he's still building these different things about himself, running, jumping, being a dog, but it's just some things that he didn't understand. Like, in order for him to get to that particular height where the couch is, it's going to take a little bit of momentum. It's going to take a little bit of work in order to get to that place. So he went from side to side, from corner to corner, from section to section, making an attempt to get something that he knew belonged to him. That's the key thing. It's not that he didn't know it belonged to him, but he knew it belonged to him. But I watched him make an attempt using the wrong techniques. And as I watched him, I said to myself, well, how often do we as believers use the wrong techniques in order to attempt to get the things that God already has set up for us? We may use deceit. We may use being fake. We may use a various, array of things in order to get the things that we know that God has already set up for us. It's ours already, but we're using the wrong technique in order to get it done. You know what? And maybe that's why the Bible says, seek ye first the kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you. And you know what? As I watched him, I said to myself, I wonder how long it's going to be before he, gets within himself to say, I can't get this by myself. So let me go to my master and make it and get him to get this for me. Deliver it into my hands, make a way for me to get it. And I watched him and I said, man, that's exactly what we do. After all else has failed, then we decide that we want to eventually get to the master. But you know what? The Bible says, seek ye first. Not second, not third, not when all else fails. Seek ye first the kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be added unto us. Seek ye first the kingdom and his righteousness. Two things. See, it's one thing to just seek the kingdom, but it's another thing to seek the kingdom and the king's way of doing it. So listen, guys, I want to just simply say to you, you know what? There are some things that already have our name on it, and guess what? We know that they're there, and God is simply saying, hey, I'm here to help you get those things. I give you the ability, all of that, but I need you to seek me first before we get it. And guess what, guys? I believe that God is going to begin to open up so many things in our lives. It was just amazing. It was just amazing. But listen, guys, pray that you continue to have an awesome, great day. And listen, God say the same. I'll be right back here with you in the morning on Living Life 1 Minute at a Time. Peace.